Hi everyone, welcome to Cook. I'm Xinyu. This time, let us cook the Sichuan chili oil. We will cook in 3 different homemade ways. There are many ways of making Sichuan chili oil. It varies in different family. You could try to make your own version as well. Just play with the magic ingredients. Let's start cook. Let's start with the simplest way. This is normally how we make it at home. For all the ingredients, you can find in the description of the video as well. Normally we cook it at home. We heat up the oil until the slightly smoky comes out. Then put the hot oil over the chili powder. You can use the same method for the rest of 2 chili oil as well. Now it's time for you to cook. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Don't miss me. Bye bye.